Hi gamers, in this video let's find step-by-step guide to easily obtain the Weird Water legendary artifact in Stalker 2. The Weird Water artifact is found in the Wandering Lights anomaly located in the northeastern part of the Zadin region near the Sultan's camp. This area is marked on your map and is characterized by floating green lights that appear at night time, 22:10 p.m. in-game time. Steps to collect start your journey from the shelter base in the Wild Islands or Sultan's camp, aiming to reach the Wandering Lights anomaly by around 21. Once you reach the boundary of the anomaly between 21 and 2140, make a quick save. This allows you to reload if necessary, as the artifact spawn can be random just before 22. Position yourself near a rock within the anomaly. Wait until exactly at 22 for the anomaly to activate. At this moment, several green orbs will appear, and among them the Weird Water artifact will spawn at your feet. If it does not spawn, reload your previous save and try again. The artifact has about a 25% chance to appear on reload. Picking up the artifact. Move quickly to collect the artifact, which resembles a small green bottle. Be cautious of taking damage from nearby green orbs while you search. Benefits of Weird Water. The Weird Water artifact provides significant bonuses, increases carry weight by 40 kilograms, offers high-level radiation protection, grants smoother movement effects. However, it also induces a drunken effect, which can slightly shake your camera during gameplay. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.